Hi, good morning everyone and welcome to our presentation. As you can see on the screen, our topic is the application of statistics in transportation service by Subject Elementary Statistics SQQS 1013 Group K. This presentation is presented to Madam Zulita binti Zakaria. Let me introduce our team member, which is Nur Afida binti Cik Hussein, Nur Aisyah Laila binti Alias, Nur Ainatun Mardia Ulia binti Muhammad Ali, and the last team member is me, Siti Nur Maisarah binti Nur Sabari. The topic we choose is the effect of service quality on customer satisfaction of transportation in University Utara Malaysia. So, let's move to the next slide, background of our topic. Public transport play a vital role to enable people to move from one place to another place. This is an important role because there are a lot of people who do not have a own vehicle. These people can be used transport in exchange of it. So, we conducted a study on a bus and train transportation used by students to reach their destination either inside the university or outside the university. Next, let's look for the effect on students when using buses and train as transportation. The advantages is affordable, avoid a congestion, be able to relax, less pollution, and able to interact with others. The disadvantages is take a lot of time, too crowded, lack of comfort, and traffic delay breakdown. So, I will pass this presentation to my team member Nur Afida.
Hi, my name is Nur Afida binti Hussein and my matric number is 295319. So I'm going to talk about descriptive and inference statistics. Descriptives allow for data to be presented in a meaningful and understandable way. For example, it is used to be obtained the distribution of satisfaction of students who use public transportation. Inferential statistics is used to draw conclusion about population by examining the sample. It may be applied in order to study the effect of quality on customer satisfaction of transportation service. Next is problem identification. Why does public transportation get neglected despite its having the affordable fares? It is very important to identify the root cause of the problem so that we can solve it. Population of the study is all students in UUM. It is because the majority of students in UUM use transportation service such as bus. The sample and sampling units is 150 students of UUM. The general objective is to investigate the effect of service quality dimension in service quality model on customer satisfaction towards service quality of public transportation among UUM students. The main objective is to identify the level of satisfaction from customer that public transportation provided and to determine which part in that model has significant effect on customer satisfaction towards service quality on that transportation. Next is the numbers that summarize the sample data. There are two statistics to be obtained in the study, which are the level of satisfaction of transportation service and the percentage of students who use transportation service in UUM.
As for data collection method in primary data, the technique we use is a survey, which is the main platform we provide is a Google Form link through WhatsApp and Telegram. For the first step, we open the form link as the title of the form was UUM Student Transport for PRE 50. After that, we prepare 5 questions which cover name and matric number, what transport they choose, the reason for choosing the transport, the cost of the transport, and how do they know about transportation. Next, we share the Google Form link to the official UUM student group and we close the link after 3 days. Last but not least, we will collect all the data as our target students for the survey are about 150 students. There are 3 reasons why our group chose a survey through Google Form as the way we collect the data. The survey is the choice in the data collection process because easy to use. Google Form survey has a simple appearance so the ordinary user can use it. Apart from that, Google Form also has a drag and drop feature that make it easier for user to edit the form. Next, real-time result. Every time a respondent submit a form, the result in the Google Form survey will also be updated immediately. This of course saves time because you can directly process the respondent data. The last reason is easy way to share. Google Form survey provide various options for sharing form. You can share Google Form via email, link, or by embedding the form on your blog or website. In addition, you can also print Google Form to share offline with respondent. Besides that, through our survey, there are several disadvantages which are no email notification. By default, Google Form does not provide email notification when a respondent fill out your survey. Survey also cannot be collected because some students may be ignored the survey. As to overcome the problem just now, we will always monitor the survey every 30 minutes to ensure that all information is received. Next, We set a target of 150 surveys to be complete. The survey will be open for 3 consecutive days. We will send to all official group UEM students, and we will send the survey link to each residential group and to each major group. This survey will be sent periodically so that they will not take the survey and fill it out immediately.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Anatul Madiullah binti Muhammad Ali and my metric number is 295298 and I will be presenting about list of variable. If you look at slide 14, we will see about respondent demographic data, which including variable of interest is gender and ethnicity, type of variable is qualitative variable, and rate of measurement, which is nominal. And we will jump onto the next variable is level of satisfaction towards train transportation, which including variable of interest is level of satisfaction, type of variable qualitative variable, and rate of measurement is ordinal. The third variable is level of satisfaction towards bus transportation. The variable of interest is level of satisfaction and the type of variable is qualitative variable. And lastly, rate of measurement is ordinal. The fourth variable we find in this topic is public transportation that operates started at 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. The type of variable is quantitative variable and the rate of measurement is interval. The last variable is average bus of waiting time. The type of variable is quantitative variable and the rate of measurement, which is interval. Other than list of variable, I'll be presenting about list of questionnaire that start at slide 19. The first question is, which type of public transportation do you prefer the most? The variable of interest is train or bus transportation. Type of variable is qualitative variable and the rate of measurement is nominal. The other question is, how frequent do you use public transportation per week? Type of variable is quantitative variable and lastly rate of measurement is ratio. We will jump on to the next question, which is the third question in this topic is, how long does it require you per ride to arrive at the destination? The variable of interest is hour span and the type of variable is quantitative variable and rate of measurement is ratio. Last but not least, the fourth question is, where do you usually get to know about the schedule of arrival time? The type of variable is qualitative variable and the rate of measurement in this question is nominal. The last question is, do you think public transportation or private transportation benefit more? Variable of interest is yes or no. Type of variable is qualitative variable and the rate of measurement is nominal.
I think that's all from us. Thank you.